Hello everyone, this is Manav Modi, your bullion analyst. Welcome to the Commodities Buzz. Let's look at how the previous month was and our view for the month of December. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Talking about the precious metal pack, after a sharp upside this year, gold and silver fell sharply in the month of November. In the previous month, gold fell by more than 4% and silver by more than 6%. Prices have worked as per our analysis. Post a Republican win in the US elections and 30 days post Diwali, gold and silver fell sharply. Market participants await policies and changes that President-elect Trump could bring in the near future. He's proposed lower taxes, higher tariffs on select countries like China. Dollar index also jumped sharply to a 13-month high above 107 mark. Probability for rate cut dropped sharply for the month of December, weighing on bullions. After November Fed meeting, market participants were hopeful of one more rate cut. However, better than expected data and mixed comments from Fed officials are weighing on those expectations. Signs of de-escalation in geopolitical tensions between Israel and Hamas also weighed on the prices last month. But looking at the factors, both the metals could trade in a broad range with possibility of some more room on the downside. Metals complex were in the midst of a chaos with macros and micro triggers from across the globe. Persistent strength in the USD to 13-month high pressured the base metal prices. China's lack of direct stimulus and mixed economic data dampened the overall sentiment. China's export rebate adjustments took the center stage. Rebate on aluminium and copper products reduced from 13% to 9%, expected to reduce export competitiveness but tighten global supplies. And lastly, US-China trade relations under the newly elected Trump administration added to the uncertainties with the potential tariff hikes looming. Looking at copper, it was under pressure for much of the month, down by 5% from the recent highs, pressured by the above factors. If we look at China, it's reflecting an improvement in the manufacturing through March, but still more confidence is required. The Trump overhang on China and metals added to the weakness on expectations of higher tariffs. The bullish bias seems to have taken a pause, and we are set to see some more consolidation over the next few weeks. Looking at aluminium, it also dipped along with others, but was quick to rebound, strengthened by China's export rebate cancellations, suggesting tighter supply conditions. The LME inventories for the metal continue to slide, which added to the support. Aluminium prices are surging on expectations of Russell and a few other large producers cutting down productions. Overall, aluminium could be an outlier in the metal space and rebound faster than others, hence dip buying could be considered. Looking at energy, oil prices remained volatile with prices settling lower as market fluctuate between geopolitical risk of supply disruptions and potential bearish impact of Trump-era policies. Concerns persist about a demand slowdown in China despite policy measures kept the pressure on oil prices. EI inventory data remained disappointing for whole month, casting down on the overall demand. OPEC Plus faces a dilemma at its December 1st meeting regarding the production quotas, balancing weak demand forecast with the revenue impacts. Trump's potential policies, including deregulation and oil fracking, could weigh on oil. Crude prices could trade in a range for the month of December 24. Meanwhile, natural gas prices rallied due to the lower production and colder weather forecast. European natural gas prices surged to a one-year high due to escalation in the Russia-Ukraine conflict and US sanctions. US gas storage levels declined to 90% capacity from 95 2 weeks ago, with drawdowns at the fastest rate in over 5 years. So this was our analysis across commodities. Stay tuned to our channels for these regular updates, and you can download the Rise app to begin your investment journey in the world of commodities.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.